Welcome to Miss G's Art, and today we will draw a pumpkin and we will draw it with texture. So we will draw a zoomed up pumpkin focusing on the stem. So we will draw it near the middle of our paper. You could change your design or your stem however you wish. So we're going to start with a nice curved line like the letter C. That will be the bottom of the pumpkin stem. Then we will slightly do another curved line up. You can make yours as curly as you like, or you can make yours more straight. I'll show you how to make a curly one and go my curved line around. And do that nice light circle to give our stem a 3D look. And do one line from here down to create a little illusion of our stem. Now we're going to make our nice round curved lines for the pumpkin sections. Go from the stem and out and out, and you keep making a nice curved line all the way around. It's up to you how many sections you want for your pumpkin. One more around. Take it all the way to the edge of the paper. Now you can do this with crayons or color pencils, so you can able to blend. You cannot blend well with markers. So I got red, orange, and yellow. These will be for our pumpkins. So we will start, we can do a red or a red orange. I have a red orange. I will start with the line of that first. I will gently shade on the edge. I put more pressure to the line. As I go closer to the middle, I'm going to draw a little bit less pressure. It has a lighter color. Create a gradation. This still works the same with crayons too. Just make sure you don't press too hard or you'll snap your crayon. Then we're going to go over it with our orange, and we're going to overlap the color we just did. Go a little bit further down. We try to blend our colors nice and smooth. Keep going all the way down to the bottom of your paper. You will add this to be a little bit darker shadow. You can go back and add a little bit more red or red orange. Just add a little bit more pressure. And now we're going to go to our yellow. It will be on the right side of this line. You can use a yellow or gold, and we're going to overlap again with this orange. In a minute we will go back with our orange and blend these colors together. Just overlap that orange. I'm going to take our orange again. And we're going to lightly shade into our yellow to blend them together. We're not putting that much pressure onto our orange. You can see it's very light. All the way down. If you want, you could press and want it a little bit more orangey. You press your color pencil a little bit more harder. We're going to take this in layers. Now we start our next one. We just rotate our paper and repeat the same process again. Go to our line. If you don't want as red as this one, just do it only a little bit of the red orange, just slightly. Just make it a little bit darker on the line and slowly fade out. And go back to our orange again. And we're going to overlap our red-orange. Blend your colors together. If you want your pumpkin to be nice and more vibrant or bright, press a little bit harder on your color pencil. Also, as you're coloring, also do a curved line similar to what you have right here. Okay, you can color more down. If you want only a little yellow, just color more orange. The yellow is our highlight, make it a little bit brighter on our pumpkin. Then we switch to our yellow. It'll be on the right of this line. When we do the right, our red orange will be left of this line. I'm going to overlap our orange. And go back to our orange again. If you want to add a little bit more orange if you don't want so much yellow. Same thing, if you want less yellow, go back with orange. If you want this a little bit more shadow, could add a little bit more. Just press a little bit harder if you want a little bit darker. And you're going to keep repeating the same process over and over again. Each one you could add more yellow or less. Okay, that's what it looks like. So when it's done, your may look slightly different than mine. That's perfectly fine. You may have more yellow or more orange. It's up to you. Also, color must in brown, but you can choose yours green. If you want to add extra ivy to it, you can. I hope you enjoy this project.